Not sure. Oh, take the lens cap off, dumb nuts. Hey, welcome to Bike and Doors channel. We go for a ride. We'll ride down to Fairmont, pick up Beth for Dragon Week closing. Jerry and Ben, we all go on our separate raids this morning, put it that way. Ben's going to Hard Labor Creek. Jerry's going towards Virginia. And I'm going towards Georgia. Pick up Beth, and then we're going to we're going glamping. This is what it looks like this morning. Ooh, what is that on my, somebody ripped my, is that a bug? I don't know, let me get my shoes on. Run an intro. Alright, there he goes. See you down the road. Yeah. Alright, man, we'll see. Drive safe. Yeah. Thanks for that. You still being? Alright, Jerry. Minnow Moto leaving. Minnow Moto. I'm the last one to leave this morning. Jerry worrying about his flat tire. I probably should let these glasses off because they're gonna flog up when I put my visor down probably. GoPro, start recording. Hey, you working? Maybe I got the halfway decent audio. Yeah, buddy. Hey, how your mama now? Time and temperature check. They might gonna let me go. Hey. How your mama now? Yeehaw! Time and temperature check is 52 degrees, 52.7. Elevation's 2,000 feet. So I guess, well, probably that's about 2,000 feet where the hotel's at. Yep. Ben asked me that. So BikesBeardsAndBrews, it's that far. It's 2,000 feet. So I'm headed to Fairmont, Georgia, and I probably didn't put that. Somebody mounted my mirror. Oh, I did that. So, yeah. Cold some vents on top. My head's getting cold. It was a great weekend. Y'all just gotta come. We'll put notifications out when we come, and it's usually this time of the year. Probably the best one we had so far because it didn't rain on us any at all. It's been nice and cool, didn't sweat. Traffic was light. We eat a lot of good food. What they drink, you call like good food. We did like two breweries kind of things. So it was nice weekend. Nice. I say weekend, but it's just a weekdays. So I got like 130 something miles to go back to where I eat breakfast at. That's where I'm meeting Beth, kind of down the road, that town anyway. So ain't much else to see unless we see an elk again. But chances that they might not be over here. I don't know. No Peter pancakes this morning. Peter Pan pancakes. So we'll see you when we get there. I'm back. I'm still just going about through the outskirts of Bryson City. I was going to show you, this is the one they call it the Great Smoky Mountain because it's so good and great, but it's also foggy in the mornings most of the time. And of course we got these people in the left lane that don't know how to get out of the lane. Oh yes you do. A lot of these people up here run 80 miles an hour. Just the locals, yep. But alrighty then, just thought I'd show you the Great Smoky Mountains, yep. And it's 53 degrees. Probably drop 5 more degrees when we get down in the gorge. We're gorging through the De La Hala Outdoor Gorge, De La Hala National Forest. Yep, De La Hala. Well, back in Tennessee. Oh me. Let me tell you about the adventure today. So we all packed up, went our separate ways. I was the last one to leave, but no big deal. I still left before I wanted to, before I had scheduled departure time. But then about the 30 minutes later or whatever, I guess she's gonna pull the bike out and get it ready because you know she's coming up to meet me. And I was going down to meet her, and then we're going back up. And we're on the way back up. But she goes, my bike won't start. It won't do nothing. Like the battery's dead. I said, alright, well, this little door in the front. And then it's like 2 hours later, hour or something later. Well, what do you do? Oh, I can't get this knob off. I'm like, what knob? There's no knob. It's a bolt. No. Alright, let me see if I don't know what she did there. Hopefully it didn't mess nothing up. She's trying to take the back trunk, the trunk off of it. I'm like, it's in the front where you plug the battery up. It's right there. I mean, you know, would know that. One little bolt. I said, alright, well, I'm about maybe an hour and a half from the house because I almost made it to Fairmont. So I called the Can-Am dealership, did all that, got a battery, $200 something. Well, while I was giving out, I got it started. It was the battery, I jumped it off. I was like, well, since we up here, I guess we'll stop by Savannah Oaks. Yeah. Find the driveway right here. Coffee. Savannah Oaks Winery. Gourmet food. Right here in the shade. Well, we got everything now. Let's get on the bikes and get out of here. Had to do the battery change here. It just wasn't charged. I don't wonder if the cables was loose, but new battery installed. Check. On the road again. Just can't wait. I didn't drink any wine. We didn't bother tasting. Told her, you know what you want? Let's go. I'm ready to get to this glamping trip. Then I had to come out and change the battery. It is what it is. It's a venture. I just wish I wouldn't get so pissy. You might recognize this from the last video of Tell the Dragon, because we was just over here Wednesday, today's Friday. I told him, I said, we go check at the cabin. I already got the coat. I just gotta figure out where I gotta turn down here. I gotta turn to the right, to the left. And I just like to busted my tail on pulling off the Cherokee Skyways onto the road stake. And all I was doing was crossing them, and I felt the front end kind of, it went like this, slip. Whew. I was like, whoa, Nelly. He was flashing his light, probably something in the road, probably the UPS man. Maybe there's a cop up here. Maybe there was a deer. I don't know. We'll see. Well, I guess we will. We won't find out. Because at least it's a private drive, I think. Maybe not. Probably not. But when I turn off this road, it will be. We'll be clamping in a cabin. The compass, Teleco compass cabin, a compass cabin or something like that. Found it on the Airbnb. It's telling me to go straight, but don't turn. I can't see over this rise. Ooh, that was scary. I hate when I do that. I see it way up there. That's where we're going. No, not really. Ours is about middle, first cabin as we get through the gates, I think. In Highlands. The Highlands. Great, it's on the hill. Highland Bluff, private property, no trespassing, no soliciting. Now I gotta remember what code it was, like 26 something. Open sesame. And here we are. Told you, first one coming in. Hello? Knock knock? Anybody home? Did I just walk in somebody's house? Very nice upstairs. Whew. Everything looks good down here. Well, let's see if we can go back out the gate. They got one of them automatic gate openers. Breaking in more furniture. Alright, well that's a tour of the Highlands cabins. So we're going to go down to Cherokee Plains, this place called the Peach Street Restaurant. Look pretty good on the menu. So anyway, stay tuned to tomorrow, next video. We'll see some we'll see what we get into. I got a plan. We're going to go chase a waterfall. That's a teaser. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button over here. And boy, it's about time for me some new gloves.